Hi everybody, so in this video I'm going to go over installing packages onto R. So this step is done after you've installed R and RStudio, but before you're able to use either of the apps. I'm not going to go over installing R and RStudio in this video. I've provided a helpful link to a YouTube video in the Installing R and Getting Started document that I've provided. So the first step to install packages is just to open either of the apps, and it doesn't matter which one. If you do this process to one app, it will automatically apply to the other. And just another note here, I am using a Mac operating system. If you're using a Windows or PC operating system, this process will look exactly the same. It's just where you access your files on your computer might look a little bit differently. So I'm just going to double click to open the app there. And just a note, when you first open RStudio, it should start to download a program called Shiny. This may take about 5 minutes. It will appear right in the window in RStudio there. Just wait until that process is done, and then you should be able to install the packages afterwards. So the first thing I'm going to do is actually go back to that Word document I mentioned, the Install R in Basics. And in this document is some code that we just need to copy and paste into RStudio. So I promise if you're new to R or coding in general, this is the only code you're going to see, and it's just a simple copy and paste into R there. So if you go down to this required packages section, you'll see that there's a little line of code here for you to copy and paste. I'm just going to copy it, and then I'm going to paste it down into the console here, right by this chevron. And once I pasted it, I'm just going to hit enter on my computer. And you'll see that in the console there, a bunch of movement starts happening. There's a little stop sign that keeps appearing and disappearing. This just means that R is working and downloading the packages. When this process stops, the console should be still, and then just that single chevron should appear with nothing beside it. This process should only take a few minutes, but depending on your internet connection, it could take longer. And you're all set.